Hey everybody, this is Brandon from Better at Everything, and in this video I'm going to quickly go over how you can add multiple viewports to a new layout. I'm going to show you the quick and easy way, and I'm going to show you a little more detailed way if you'd like to add a bit of flair or you've got a bit of a complicated drawing. First, we're going to show you the quick way, and that's simply by opening up a new layout tab like this one, or one with your title block already on it, whichever you prefer. And we're going to go to the View tab along the ribbon. It's the fifth one here on the right, or from the left. Now we're going to go to Viewports, which you can see here, and click Rectangular. This is going to make equally spaced, equally sized rectangular viewports. Now along the bottom here, it brings up a bunch of options. You can choose polygonal, object, lock, shade plot, and we'll go over some of those later. But for now we're going to choose 4 because we want 4 viewports equally spaced in this layout. So we're going to type in 4 and hit enter. Now it's asking for the first corner or fit. I want it to fill up the entire space, so we're going to go with fit because it fits it to your layout. So you can just hit enter or type in fit and then hit enter. And as you can see, it's created 4 equally spaced viewports in my layout space. Now we can adjust these. So say on the top left, I want to focus on these 3 right here, these 3 properties. On the bottom one, I just want to focus on these 2 over here. The bottom right, we're going to focus on the start of the cul-de-sac up here. And in the top right, we're going to leave it as an overview. Now obviously this doesn't mean anything, and this is just a quick sketch, but it shows you how you can use this. You can also use these really well for multi-view drawings. So if you want a top, front, and side view, this is the perfect way to split it up, and then maybe do a southeast or southwest ISO drawing in the top right, just as an example. Next we're going to go on to layout 2, and I'm going to show you a little more complicated design and how you can build this. So as you can see, I've kind of got this already laid out. I'm going to add a circle on the right here just because it looks cool and to show you that you can use any shape you want. You simply need a closed object, and you can create any of these into a viewport. Right now, I'll double click in here. There's nothing in these. They're not viewports. This is just a line. This one's a rectangle, a square on the top. These are all just polylines and polygons. A circle on the right. So to create viewports out of these, we're going to go to the View tab along the top. We're going to go to the rectangular drop-down in the viewport area, and we're going to say From Object. Now, you simply select an object, and it creates a viewport. Now, to do that again, we're going to hit Enter, and now we can choose another one. So, type in O for Object, select your circle, and you've got another one. Now you can do that from up here as well. Click that, click it again, once more, and there we go. We've just made 5 viewports, different sizes, different shapes, and once again you can leave the bottom one there. The right one you can zoom in on the circle. You can pick another property and do whatever you want with these. As you can see, it's pretty easy to create multiple viewports in your layout space, and hopefully if you're looking to do this, I've given you a bit of a help. If you've got any questions, just leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my website, betterateverything.info. Thanks for watching. Cheers.